Hey crypto friends, for those of you who are new to the channel, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today we are going to be taking a look at the Optimism charts or OP charts, and we're going to see where it might be headed, and we will cover both bullish and bearish scenarios as well, just to simply cover all of the possibilities. And towards the end of the video, as always, I will cover the overall macro structure of the overall altcoin market as well. Now, for those of you who love trading crypto and want to try out the same crypto exchanges that I use on a regular basis, feel free to go ahead and try out either the MEXC exchange or the Blowfin exchange with the links in the video description down below this video. Now, what's cool about the Blowfin exchange is they allow anybody from any country to be able to sign up. They have no restrictions, so if you're from the United States and you want to trade crypto futures, you can trade it here. And what's cool about the MEXC exchange is their taker fees are only 0.01%, so you get to keep more of your profits when you take your profits, which is very, very nice, because most exchanges, their fees are like 0.06%. So they charge very, very, very low fees here at MEXC, which is very nice. So let's go ahead and take a look at OP on the daily chart and see what we've got going on here. I already mapped all this out a little bit ago, and what we've got going on here is, realistically, I am loving this structure that OP has got going on right now. We have created this is on the daily chart, and we've created all kinds of higher lows here, and we have so far, at the time of me filming this video, we have so far been following this uptrend very, very nicely, and we literally just now recently, within the last few hours here, we recently touched the bottom of this uptrend here once again, and I'm hoping that the next daily candle ends up opening up and gaining momentum and getting above this level right here where my mouse is at right now, and hopefully going up and retesting this level at $3.01 again, and then going back down and retesting and creating another higher low right here at the bottom of the uptrend again, and then gaining momentum and going through this resistance level and going up to the next resistance level, and then coming back down and retesting it again, creating once again another higher low, and we just continue to repeat the process over and over again until we are all the way up once again. All right, that is the overall goal here. That's what we want to see. We want to see the market, or we want to see Optimism continue its upward trend that it's got going on here. That would be very, very nice to see. Now, if Bitcoin continues to keep doing its bullshit and continues to keep dropping like it has been, then realistically we will probably end up seeing, I hate talking about bearish stuff because nobody likes bearish stuff, but we have to be realistic and we have to think about all the various different possibilities here, since we are dealing with our real hard-earned money here, okay? So in a bearish scenario, what would end up happening here is we would end up breaking through this trend line, and coming down and probably retesting this $2.25 level again. Now, if that fails, we will obviously end up dropping even further and probably end up retesting this lower level here at $1.84 again. But if that does end up happening, I do not see us going any lower than that, simply because that is a very, very, very strong support level that we've got all the way back from December of 2023, way back here, okay? So it would be very nice for us to be able to bounce big time off of one of these levels. It's all going to depend on supply and demand, obviously, and what Bitcoin is doing and everything. But it definitely is a possibility to end up dropping and going through these levels. So we want to keep an eye right now, at the time of me filming this, we want to keep an eye on this uptrend here, and we want to keep an eye on this resistance level that this old support level that we just turned into resistance at $2.60. All right. Now, as far as the overall altcoin market cap structure is going, we have got very, very strong support here between $530 billion and $560 billion. So realistically, I don't personally see, I mean, I could be wrong. I mean, I'm not right all the time. I could be wrong, but I do not see us dropping further than these levels right here for the remainder of this bull market that we're currently in, all right? Realistically, what I see happening here, or what I want to see happen here, is I want to see the altcoin market start gaining all kinds of momentum to be able to cross through this downtrend here with ease, and to be able to cross this level right up here, which is the first peak after the giant big sell-off I want to see us be able to cross the $695 billion range here, because once that does end up happening, I will personally start to feel extremely bullish on altcoins again, and we can start to, we can all start to get excited because, we are starting to trend upward and creating higher and higher lows with with the overall altcoin market in general. All right, guys. Now, before I go ahead and wrap up this video, if you guys enjoyed this video or got some good information out of it, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button below the video to help me out, and leave a comment below on your thoughts on where you personally think the price of Optimism is going to go in the short term. And with that said, for those of you who watched this, who ended up watching the entire video, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you all in my future videos.